Hello, welcome to Brady's Adventures. Today I'm playing Lego. It's the same day I did my record. It's my second ever video with Mom. Yeah, woo! Let's play. Woo! Dad, your helmet fell off. I know, son. I have a trick. What? It's an invisible invention, son. You know, we have inventions. Oh! You guys, I can't even see you. Is there something right there? I don't know, guys. Can you even say something? Can you say what I want you to say? Evie. You're not saying it. You guys are so dumb. That's anyways. The dino. What's the dynamite for, son? Oh, nothing. Nothing? Blow up your bike? Whoa! Do your trick. You did the trick I taught you. Ooh. I can do that. Let's see. Whoa. Oh. Ba-bum. Oh yeah, that. That's dust on my Lego. What? That's not even Lego. That's from a set I wrecked when I was 2. But since I'm 4 3/4 and an alligator, they will be afraid. Chomp, chomp. Why? Chomp. Whoa. I want them to hear me saying something. Stuff.
I didn't mean be quiet. I meant don't tell anybody I'm here because I came back.
Oh, yeah.
You play better when I leave?
Yeah.
Okay, it'll leave for a few more minutes.
Then come back, Mom.
Okay, I will. Love you.
That was my mom. She came back. Woo! Woo! Oof. My bike, before I pretended